Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to continue our Python learn. So here in this one, what we are going to do is we are going to discuss about Python set. So in my previous videos, we discussed about list tuple. So right now, we are going to discuss about sets. So sets, comparing to other data structures, sets is like a simple one, so it will not take that much time to complete all of these things. So the first thing I need to get a get an environment, get a local local workspace. So after that, we can go through all of that things that mentioned in our document. So first thing, I need to open my Visual Studio Code and I need to open the one that's mentioned Python. So I have that work environment ready here. So let me try to create another file that will be better in this case. So set to py. So let's start one by one. Let me split my screen, not splitting manually, not splitting. I will split it myself. So not using the split features in Mac OS. So here, okay, so that's not enough for us. So here we need to have something else. I mean, the window, okay, yes, this will work. So you can start then. So in Python, set is an unordered collection. That's you need to understand. So if you are with some other programming language already know what set is, right? Sets are mutable, meaning you can add like list, not like tuple, but the elements themselves must be immutable, like numbers, strings, or tuples. So what they are saying, like sets are mutable, meaning you can add or remove elements, but elements themselves must be immutable, like numbers. Sets are usable, the elements cannot change. So elements cannot change itself. Sets are useful when you need eliminate duplicate. Common set operation like union, intersection, or difference, that kind of scenarios. This gonna be a very good thing. So creating a set. So we can start with that one. So I have a set, my set. So these naming convention. So that I guess we didn't discuss that kind of things in our previous videos. So probably in future scenarios, so we will discuss that. But right now we are focusing on our topic. So that's our plan for today. So here, because sets will not take that much time, because it will take only 10, and also it's not ideal to spend a lot of time. That's not that much beneficial, right? So you are spending a lot of time in a simple topic, it's going to be waste of time. So here what I'm going to do, another way of defining set that we are discussing here. In that case you need to use uh, another way of declaration, another way of brackets. So the square brackets. So here set dot python 3. So python 3 set dot py. So we can see exactly same both uh, both sets. So adding element. So you can add using my set dot add. So nothing specific about that. So no major changes on that thing. So here you can add an element like this one. Just run then that again you can see that element is there. So that's the one thing, and remove one element. So I am adding on one element. I am trying to remove the same element. So that also very straightforward, I guess. So that's also very easy to do that. Discard will not raise an error if the element does not exist. So if you're thinking this kind of scenario here, I'm trying to remove an element, you got an exception here. So error here. So if you are using the same thing with discard, I don't know, is any other languages that kind of that kind of things available? I don't know, in Java, one thing will end up in exception, and if you are using an alternate, it will not end up in exception. I guess that's not there in Java. Maybe for the older code, I am not. I don't think that kind of scenario is available. So right now we need to print the length. It's almost same with all the other data structures. We are using the same length command, I guess. So here set length function to get the number of elements in a set. User length. Okay, so length we are discussing, then membership testing. So that's actually that we use in some scenarios in the previous list, I guess. The list is one that's mostly similar to set, except the duplicate elements will not allow. So here, true. Okay. So what we are going to do in this case is like we are trying to add a duplicate element. What's going to happen in this case? That's one of the things that we need to test. So the element is not going to add. That's the only thing. So it's the same behavior in other languages. We can add, but it will not reflect anything. No exception, nothing. So union. Return a new set with all the elements, both sets. So these things is pretty new for other language programmers. So here you have this one, set one. Here you have another set. Another set means maybe something 6, 7, 8. Then what's gonna happen? The next thing, union. Union set. We are adding some set 1, set 2. So you are unionize that one. Then print union set. So you can see all the elements there. So that also covered. So these things are, you need to understand these items are available in Python, and whenever in the right time is coming, you can use that one. So here, if I am sending this one here, what's gonna happen is I have no common elements here, right? So what's gonna happen in this case? It will not print anything. That's the thing that's gonna happen, I guess. 1, 2, 3. No, I'm printing the same thing, so that's why I'm getting the same version. I thought, what is happening? Whether it's because I am using everything, so you are getting a set without anything. So if I am adding another element, I'm adding a 2 here. So what's going to happen in this case? You can get that 2, and you will not present in the first one. So that part also completed, and difference. So that's also one thing. So the difference is almost similar to difference. Difference, return a new set with the elements in the first set but not with the second set. So if you have two sets operation, first set, okay, whatever. So 1 and 3 is not in second set, so it will display that one. So that's difference. Symmetric difference. Symmetric difference with elements in either of the sets but not in both. It's also almost the union. So except the duplicate one is removed. So here what I am going to do, take this one. So we are trying to symmetric set, right? Symmetric set, and in that case you can use things here and try to print this. We will see some result here, 1, 3, 6, 7, 8. Since 2 is not in 2 is in both common, it will remove that one. So that kind of things, iterating over a set. So it's almost like list. So for item in, what is your set? So my set is, I will use the same symmetric set. So then I will put indentation here, and then I will print that item. So here I am getting some errors, right? So, and it's saying like missing something. So here we can print each element. So clear removes elements from the sets. So if you are trying to remove clear, clear will remove all the elements. So here then you are trying to print that one. So symmetric set, you will see the result here. So here set is empty. So that's the thing about clear. So I guess almost we are in the almost we are almost covered all of these things. Copy returns a shallow copy of the set. So is disjoint other sets. So this one we discussed, and we need a copy set here, right? So I'm using the same one. So I'm copying from some other sets. So union set. So I have a union set here. So what I'm going to do, and copy from this one to this one, just print. So this video will also take 20 minutes. I am trying to complete this way fast, but still we have something left. So is disjoint. If two sets has no element in common, so I'm saying like print symmetric set is disjoint of union set. So what exactly I am saying here? So return true if two sets have no elements in common. So we are expecting a true result here. False is here. So symmetric set is disjoint union set. So union set I copied from that one. Since that elements are copied, maybe that's the reason I am getting that one. Probably I need to check it out. So how we can check it out? That one. So set one and set two. That's another one that we can try it out right now. Set one and set two, unless we modified set one and set two. In set one and set two, what a the scenario here. Where is my set one and set two? Set two, we have a common element. So we, for the purpose of our example, we're trying to remove that common element. So there is no common element. So it's a, and I am running this one, say like true. So if we are using, okay, I remove this one, that's why the false one is. If you're just copying the other one, it's the elements are same, a reference, so it will make it as false. But in this case, the elements are totally different, so you are getting the right answer. So there is no disjoint between them. Is superset of other sets. So that's also another one. So if I have two sets, set one and will 5, 4, 6, 7, 8. That's set one. Then copy the same set and make it as a 5 and 4 only. And what I am going to do is we use the same thing, and we are trying to use superset of subset of also there, but right now we are trying set 1 is superset of set 2. That's given us false results. That's fine because it's not superset, it's a subset, and this one we will probably make it in the other way. So if I am making it another way, both are resulting false. Return true if all the elements of other set are in the set. So set 2, I have 5 and 4 is superset of set 1. But I am getting false. So is okay, okay. Is subset true if all the elements of the sets, okay, subset 1 2, and you have maybe it's other way around. Is subset, let me check, this will give us some, no, in both cases it's saying like it's not correct. So I guess something we are missing here. That's I know. We are missing this one. What a stupidity I am doing here. So here, subset or superset? Okay. So set 2 is superset of set 1. Set 2 is superset of subset is subset. Okay, okay. Subset is subset. Set 2 is set 2 is subset of set 1. These were set 2 is subset of set. That's true. Here set 1 is superset of set 2. So that's the way it should work. So in both cases it will give the right answer. So the true answer. So right now we completed everything that related to the sets, not advanced topic. Probably in future we will try to complete some advanced topic, but this is fine. We can go to some example projects. During that time we will do some more things with that. So my plan is like this. We will cover some lead code examples on the way around after completing these basic things. So that will give all the opportunity to discuss about all the advanced things. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.